What if you could increase your machine build capacity by over 25% without increasing either your costs, your space or your staff? A recent KPMG survey has revealed that over 53% of high-performing organisations have increased their productivity by effective training. At SMC, we have a proven track record of success delivering this with a number of our customers by applying training. Identifying problems with delays and errors in production, one of our OEM customers worked with us to establish a training plan for both design and production teams. This involved current standards for pneumatic circuit drawing for both of the teams, and the end result was a decrease in scrap parts and a reduction in build time. Now this enabled them to build an extra 12 machines per year, an increase of over 26%. Effective training requires a blend of elements to create this successful outcome, and by working in partnership with SMC, we can help you create solutions that actively support your employee performance against their agreed targets. Also, 72% of businesses have identified that learning interventions increase the technical skills of their employees and all of the accompanying advantages to their business. Whether you're an OEM or an end user, everything we've discussed so far relates to you and your business environment. So if you want to find savings, increase your profitability and reduce your wastage, then please contact me directly. Follow us on LinkedIn for the latest insights into SMC's learning and development.